Your first payment will become visible in your account balance in only a few minutes. I'm talking about regular, sizable contributions, not those sporadic small monetary sums. $200, $300, and $500 will continue to appear due to the power of the Google trick I'm about to reveal in this video throughout the day, every day. The finest feature is that it is totally free, doesn't require any money to use, is available everywhere in the world, and pays out in a variety of ways. There aren't many people that are aware of this. You may find out how to use the top secret Google approach and immediately start receiving payments by tuning in and watching the entire video. But before we go deep into the video, welcome to Daily Cash Tips, where we'll teach you the brand new methods to make money online in 2023. Please enjoy and be informed in this video, and remember to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Also, click the notification bell button so that you will get notified every time we release a new money-making video in our channel. Share this with your family and friends so that everyone is aware of this fantastic money-making strategy. If you have any questions, concerns, or thoughts about the video, please leave a comment below. We look forward to reading it. I want you to go to shrinkme.io first before we begin the video. You will now be directed to this homepage. I'm going to walk you through the process of making $250 in a matter of minutes on this website. If you want to start making money right immediately, you must use my Google method and adhere to my suggestions. Let me now show you some payment evidences from this website, which demonstrates that people are making money there every single minute. Look closely at this. All throughout the world, people are making money and cashing out every single minute. You can view countless examples of actual income proof, and this website consistently pays its customers on time, without fail or slackly. For withdrawal methods, you have a selection that includes bank transfers, PayPal, Skrill, Pazer, Payoneer, Bitcoin, Paytm, and many more. These three easy procedures must be followed in order to begin producing money. You must first register for a free account. The second step is to shorten a URL link and distribute it to everyone online. Don't worry, I'll show you exactly how to do it shortly. Third, you can start making hundreds of dollars in passive income in a matter of minutes after properly configuring the approach. You run the danger of skipping crucial phases and failing to earn any money if you don't finish watching the video. I don't want that to happen to you, since it would make the money you do make even worse if it got stuck in your account. I therefore urge you to follow my advice. Now, click the register link in the top right corner of the website to establish a free account. To start the process of signing up for a new membership, just click on this link. As soon as you register for a free account, you will immediately receive $1 for free. This is a sign-up bonus, and you can begin withdrawing your money after earning $5. Again, they give out cash every day. Because most other services make you wait weeks or worse, months, to withdraw your money, this one is my favorite. However, a variety of payment methods are allowed on this website, and payments are made almost promptly. I'll soon demonstrate how to use my well-kept Google trick to start making money right away. Before I do that, though, allow me to briefly explain how everything works. In essence, after visiting YouTube and finding a video, we will be provided the URL address for that particular video. We'll paste the link in this bar once we're back on this website, and then we'll just shorten it right here. This website will automatically condense this long URL link into a much more manageable length. Before I show you the precise live demonstration, I'll just go through the fundamental idea and how it works to help you understand. A URL link can now be shared elsewhere on the internet after being abbreviated. I'll reveal to you my top secret free traffic source so that you can get lots of clicks on your link and profit greatly whenever someone else does. I'll show you the different payment rates you'll receive. You'll observe that visitors from different countries will click on your link, and you'll get paid at various rates. For instance, you would receive $22 for each click from Greenland visitors, while only receiving $10 from American clickers. The main goal of teaching you this top secret Google strategy is to help you earn as much money as you can by getting as many Greenlanders to click on your link. So in this video, I'll go over how to pick the greatest YouTube video, because if you choose a bad one, you won't make much money. I'll teach you exactly where to seek for the best video, and then we'll shorten the link using this website. Once you get the shortened URL, we'll use a really original strategy in Google to double your money and produce a sizable sum of hard cash. I'm eager to walk you through the entire plan. You need to visit YouTube right away. The first piece of advice I have is this. The most watched videos I've ever seen are for weight loss, since so many people want to know the exact steps for losing weight in our society. We now have to establish which video is performing the best this week, as these are all brand new, well-liked videos that were just launched. Click on this filter after typing weight loss video into the search bar on YouTube, and then choose this week. The most popular videos such as this one will then be found. In order to access the URL link for this YouTube video, you must first click on the associated video. After selecting this link, you will just need to select copy. So let's quickly go back to shrinkme.io and then paste the link into this tab. All you have to do after pasting the link is click this button to get a shortened URL link right away. Take a moment to copy this URL so we can utilize it later. In the next stage, we'll go to google.com and look for popular forums, notably those for weight loss. Simply follow me around and pay close attention to everything you see. When you use this strategy, there are many different forums where you may share the link. Just enter the term weight loss forum and click search. People who want to reduce weight frequently visit several forums where they participate in various discussions and discover different weight loss methods. They will all click the shortened link you supply because they are all highly targeted people. The first step is to register for one of these forums. You can find a ton of various forums just by using Google. Watch this space for a Google trick that will quickly and efficiently make you the most money by getting plenty of Greenlanders to click on your link. You can see that you can make 4 times as much money by luring people from Greenland as you do by luring people from, say, Sweden. In a moment, I'll demonstrate how to obtain people from Greenland. Let's visit the website once more. Normally, once you enter the forum, you can just sign up and register for free. For instance, click the register button, enter your information in the form, and then click the sign up button to create an account in this topic. There are numerous forums where the same claim can be made. It is more probable that people will click on your link if you engage in more forums because you can post more links there. Even while it is totally acceptable for people from different countries to click on your link, there is one disadvantage to employing this strategy. Although you will continue to make money, the key is to focus on getting additional Americans, Irish, and Greenlanders to click on our link and generate income. I'll now provide the top secret technique I want to employ. Now, you'll click on the settings when you conduct various search on Google. I'm going to check for Greenland, for example, so once you find it, just click on Advanced Search, and then you can filter them to Greenland right here by selecting Region. Simply select Greenland and then the Advanced Search option to access it. By doing so, you can find a ton of individuals in Greenland specifically, and you can use the same strategy to get a ton of Greenlanders to click on your link. Since there isn't much of a forum available in Greenland, focusing on Ireland and the United States is the second best choice. Simply go back to Google, select Settings, Advanced Options, and Advanced Search, then select Region to locate the United States to repeat the process. You may find a selection of weight loss videos on YouTube that are completely legal and ethical to use. You won't be punished or penalized because you are just sharing other people's videos, not reposting or re-uploading them. If you share it, more people will see it, therefore, they'll adore it. The fact that you can get a highly targeted and specialized site to earn more money at this rate shows that this is one method to employ a Google trick. However, this URL can be shared in a variety of ways. For instance, you may share this link on YouTube. This can be done on Facebook or one of your other social media accounts, such as YouTube Comment. More individuals clicking on your link will enhance your revenue. So this is exactly how all of these people make a living on a regular basis. That's all for now. I hope that you were able to learn something from this video and that I was able to show you a new method to generate money online. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. By clicking the notification bell button, you can be informed when we upload new videos. I'll see you in our forthcoming video, so keep an eye out for that.